Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Melody and today I have a new bag from the brand called Teddy Blake, and they were kind enough to collaborate with me and send me this new bag. So here's the brand Teddy Blake, New York, and they have very beautiful leather bags, and I'm super excited to unbox it with you guys. So I've never opened it until today, and I want to see and yeah, get my first impression with you guys on the video. So let's open it up. So Teddy Blake makes beautiful leather bags, and the particular one that I chose is called the Ava bag, Ava 11 inch, and I chose the gray color because I think gray goes well in both summer and winter with most clothing, so it is very versatile. So here, as soon as I opened it, a strong leather smell came out of the dust bag, and I was immediately surprised by how beautiful this bag looks. It's such a stunning bag. Look at the structure, the leather quality, the beautiful hardware, and similar to designer bags like Hermes, it has a very nice structure and the lock kind of design that is famous in those brands. You can open it like this by taking the straps out of the lock, and then it just opens up. So I love the design. You can tell how high quality it is. And yeah, this was the 11 inch. It is very spacious and at the same time not too big, which is great for me because yeah, this size of bag I think is very practical but also very easy to carry, and yeah, it's so versatile. I think it will go well with so many outfits. So I think in my future videos, I will use it and style it with my different outfits for the fall season. But yeah, overall, I am super impressed with this bag, and I am so tempted to have it in other colors and different sizes. It also comes in different leather textures like crocodile or yeah, various other colors that would make your look super stylish. But because I only wanted to pick one bag, I went with a safe, versatile color. But in the future, I would try some other vibrant colors. And I love that the bag, you can wear it on its own, but you can also attach these handles that, or this long strap that comes with it, and you can carry it on your shoulders. And I love how it looks this way as well. Most of the time I wear my bags with the strap on my shoulder, and I think it looks super professional as well. I could even take this to work. I could take it to dinner, so many different occasions. I think this bag is very beautiful and perfect for many places. And the leather is 100% made in Italy and sourced from there, and it's so easy to tell that the quality is amazing. I have some bags that I purchased from Italy, and honestly, Italian leather bags are the best out there. I think this will be one of the best bags in my collection, and I'm so happy that I was introduced to this brand. I would definitely purchase from them again, and I think there's really no need to spend a couple thousand on brand names like Chanel or Hermes when you can get very high quality leather bags that look very similar from these type of brands. So I will link the bag in my description. If you're also interested, you can purchase from Teddy Blake. And yeah, so this was the Ava bag. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. Which other colors from the website you think would be very beautiful. And next I might review those. So this grain leather Ava bag I think retails for about 400 Canadian dollars, and in the crocodile type of skin finish it retails for about 500 Canadian dollars, which either way I think compared to the brand name leather bags, it's a steal. I was seriously considering purchasing like a couple $1,000s on those handbags at some point in my life. I think most girls, we love those beautiful handbags like Chanel and Hermes, but yeah, they're at the end of the day leather. All of them are just leather, and if you can find really high quality leather bags, there is really no need to waste your money on those bags. And with these, you can purchase so many other colors and sizes with this same amount that you would pay for one bag. You can get everything that you need in your closet and gift all your family and friends. I think, yeah, speaking of gifts, these would make amazing Christmas gifts for your family, your mom, sister, wife. Who wouldn't love a beautiful handbag? I think, yeah, I will order one larger bag and gift it to my mom. She loves those very, very large bags where you can stuff everything in it, and that would be amazing for work as well. But this size, I think, is a perfect in between where it's great for going out but also great for work. So I can imagine wearing this bag to pretty much anywhere. And I love that it has the lock design. It is so similar to the Hermes Kelly, but yeah, it's I think even more beautiful. And yeah, I'm so happy that I collaborated with this brand. I'm absolutely obsessed. And yeah, I can just smell the genuine leather throughout this entire video, and it's very, very nice. And yeah, special thanks to my supporters on Patreon. Thank you so much for your help and helping this channel run, because at the moment my YouTube is not monetized, so your help is truly appreciated. And yeah, if you're not a member and you're interested to join, I will link my Patreon in the description. And yeah, I will be uploading a video soon, so stay tuned. Hope you liked this video, and let me know in the description if you did order from Teddy Blake and if you like their products. I would love to know. And yeah, stay tuned for more fashion videos, and if you have any ideas for videos, please let me know as well. I love you so much. Take care and bye. Love you.